Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets are witnessing an extended period of price consolidation due to the short-term positioning adjustments following the recent gains triggered by the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Bitcoin made a narrow range movement near $42,750. The IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, edged 0.02% up to 56,110. The global crypto market cap was at $1.68 trillion, a 0.11% increase over the last day. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 49.76%, almost unchanged over the day. Meanwhile, recently launched spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded net fund inflow of $894 million or 21,000 Bitcoins at the current price of $42,600. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust leads the way by adding 16,362 Bitcoins, followed by Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund with 12,112 Bitcoins. Sizable exit from Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, which has lost about 25,000 Bitcoin, brought down the overall industry inflow. Crypto traders continue to hold optimistic market outlook even as Bitcoin price dropped over 10% since the launch of spot ETFs in the US a week ago. The enthusiasm stems from the fact that the funding rate of the perpetual futures tied to leading index have remained positive in the past 24 hours. Perpetuals are futures with no expiry, with the funding rate mechanism that involves periodic payments between long and short traders to ensure the price of perpetual aligns with the underlying index price. A positive funding rate means perpetual contracts are trading at a premium to the index price, with longs paying funding fees to shorts, signifying bullish market expectations. A negative rate suggests otherwise. Bitcoin was trading at $42,781, adding 0.1% in the past 24 hours. Elsewhere, Ethereum developers have successfully deployed DogeCoin upgrade incorporating proto-dank sharding, which is EIP 4844 on the Gorilla test network. The upgrade serves as a precursor to the anticipated release on the Ethereum mainnet expected in the first quarter of 2024. DogeCoin upgrade is a transaction mechanism that temporarily stores and accesses off-chain data by Ethereum nodes, reducing storage demands and transaction costs. Ethereum was trading at $2,536, down 0.2% in a similar time span. US stock futures continue to trade lower, extending a losing session to kick off the holiday-shortened trading week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 94.95 points or 0.25%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.59% and 0.56% respectively. Meanwhile, all the other major altcoins traded mixed. Binance BNB was trading 0.6% higher at $311.5. SOL was trading at $99.8, up 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Solana has emerged as the coin of the day today. It experienced significant growth in its rebranded state despite being disgraced by former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. The company has seen surges in network activity and developer retention rates, ranking as the leading chain for active addresses in December 2023. Cardano's AD token lost 1.8% to trade at $0.52. Avalanche AVAX declined 1.2% to $35.4. Polygon Matic dropped 3% to trade at $0.81. Polkadot lost 1.5% before trading at $7.27. Ripple's XRP fell 0.7% to trade at $0.56. DogeCoin was 0.2% lower at $0.08. Shiba Inu lost 0.5%. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.
With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0TV delivers the news that matters.
Crypto investment products have recorded a net outflow of approximately $424 million this week since Monday, according to CoinShares data. James Butterfield, CoinShares head of research, stated that newly issued US spot Bitcoin ETFs have now seen $2 billion inflows. Strategy ETF and Grayscale's GBTC fund have also seen net outflows since the week's start. This shift is occurring as institutional investors shift their focus to other recently approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. Among the top 5 crypto flows by provider based on the year-to-date amount, 4 consist of newly issued spot Bitcoin ETFs. Trading of the new ETFs began last Thursday, and in the first day of trading, spot Bitcoin ETFs generated nearly $4.6 billion in buying and selling. The second and third days of trading did not replicate the performance of the first day for spot Bitcoin ETFs, but Butterfield explained that this is a typical pattern and should not be interpreted as a decline in interest. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen trading volumes of around $10 billion in the first 3 days on the market, with Grayscale Investments and BlackRock leading the competition. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust ETF saw trading volumes of 25 million shares or $970 million on Tuesday, following previous volumes of $2.3 billion and $1.8 billion. However, GBTC's high trading volumes did not indicate a net influx of funds, as it saw net outflows of $579 million last week. GBTC, launched in 2013, has roughly $27 billion in assets under management. Segment observers expect GBTC to see outflows over time due to its high fee of 1.5% compared to competitors. BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin Trust saw trading volumes of nearly 15 million shares or $317 million on Tuesday. ProShares has filed prospectus materials for 5 leveraged and inverse Bitcoin exchange-traded funds following the approval of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The funds include ProShares Plus Bitcoin ETF, ProShares Ultra Bitcoin ETF, ProShares Ultra Short Bitcoin ETF, ProShares Short Bitcoin ETF, and ProShares Short Plus Bitcoin ETF. One of the funds seek daily investment results that correspond to 2 times the daily performance of the Bloomberg Galaxy Bitcoin Index. The filing comes after the Securities and Exchange Commission approved 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs, which have generated billions of dollars in trading volume.